Today I'm sharing a fun and easy way to create your very own ocean in a jar. We used a jar with a lid, baby oil, water, some food coloring, and a small floating toy. Get started by putting a few drops of food coloring into the jar. Then fill the jar about 3/4 of the way full with water. Now fill the rest of the space inside the jar with some baby oil. You can even plop a small little toy into the mix to see if it will float in your ocean. Then screw the lid onto the jar very tightly to prevent the ocean from leaking out of the jar. Then hold the jar sideways and gently rock it back and forth until you get some nice ocean waves crashing back and forth. This works because the blue water in the jar acts like the water in the ocean, and the baby oil is like the air above the ocean. The oil is lighter and less dense than the water, so it floats on top of the water like air does above the ocean. The little toy in the jar can act like a small boat or ship floating on the ocean too. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it.